This is 是这听 for lesson 2. I'm going to show you the home page after this is opened up. You can see we can count up 1, 2, to show that this is working. Over here are some icons. We go to the registration page, and this is some information that's filled. When we click register, it shows that it hasn't been filled yet, so I'm going to go and type in some information. It's invalid, so because of the comma, it's lacking a dot. And you can see here that it prints out the input. Just say we're going to type in a negative number. That's when it shows the error message. And if we leave this empty too, it wouldn't work because you need a minimum of 4 characters. Alright, the second time, is it, and when we change it, it works as well. So this is lesson 1.